Okay, here we are in an application where we want to read all 8 of these tags. Each tag is the same data, so we just want to make sure that there are no rogue tags in here. So what we have are the 8 tags here, and then up here we have the MS-890 from Microscan barcode scanner about 2 feet away. So what I'll do over here on the computer screen is initiate a serial trigger, and when I do that, we're going to go into a read cycle. You may on the video see the laser rastering from code to code. Yeah, it looks like we're picking it up. So it's going to go around, check each area. It'll do it a couple times. In this application we have plenty of time per read cycle. When it gets done, what we'll see on the screen popping up is the just one set of data. And if we go over here now on the terminal screen, you can see one set of data there. That's the data we want. Going back over here, what we'll do now is I'm going to remove one of the good cards. I'm going to put in a card that is a rogue card. In other words, it has the wrong data on it. So after doing that, I'll go ahead and initiate another trigger, and then as soon as it goes through each card, it will find the card that's the wrong one, and it will actually display both sets of data up on the screen. See, it should be popping up here momentarily as soon as it's done, and there we go. You can see both sets of data separated by a comma. Now, to give us a little more of a challenge, we'll take another card out and replace it with a different set of data, a third set of data. I'll initiate another trigger. The reader will go through each one, find the one that's wrong. As I mentioned, we have, I think, as many as 30 seconds per read cycle, so I just took 20 seconds just to make sure we're getting a good look at each area so that we get our read. Now if we go over here to the screen, we'll see 3 sets of data have popped up on the screen, all different. So we go back, we remove the 2 cards that are the bad ones, this one and this one, and we replace it with the cards we want, which is that one, and let me see, I gotta find it now, and I believe this one. And so this is again how it should be. One more trigger. And the screen will get just one set of data coming up. And we'll go over here. And there we are, one set of data. So it looks like we have a very solid application here. The MS-890 is a long-range reader, which is what we needed to read all the codes in this application, so we get out far enough to raster on all of them and get good read rates.